Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect a Google Search Console to your Odoo website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you're not already. So once you've done that, we can go and log into your account. First thing you're going to do is go and log in. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page at the top of the screen, we have the configuration tab, site tab, and so on that we can go ahead and get started using for our website. So let's go and take a look at how to connect Google Search Console. As you can see right here on the official odoo.com/documentation page, where you can find all the documents for using Odoo. We have the configuration tab where you can find the Google Search Console option. So to enable Google Search Console for your website, you're going to go to Google Search Console and then you're going to select property type, domain property, or your URL prefix property. And here you have everything in great detail how to get started. So you can go and use the domain property right here. This is going to enable you to get your special ID. Then you're going to go ahead and be able to connect with your website. Then you're going to confirm your site ownership. As you can see, you have the site ownership verification tab that's going to enable you to use any of the 5 methods such as the HTML file upload, DNS record, HTML tag, and so on. You can go and use for yourself. So just go to this page right here, follow it step by step, and you're going to go and be able to set Google Search Console up with Odoo. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.